The crypto market has had some incredible news today. Very good bullish news, but cryptos crashed. I'm going to be talking about why did cryptos crash. I'm going to be talking about this incredible information that has come out that is going to change cryptos forever. So make sure you watch this very video until the end. Consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribe with notifications on. So today, cryptocurrencies, if you have not known, I've been making videos every single day about it. The Ethereum merge took place. It was a pure success. Absolutely amazing. And this is going to be a huge thing for the entire crypto ecosystem. It's going to be very good for it. So cryptos did spike a little bit, a couple of times this morning, very early in the morning, if you are in the US, and they just went back down. So the spike wasn't as big as we were hoping for. And a lot of us, and I've been making videos for the past month saying, the Ethereum merge event could be a day where Ethereum crashes. I do believe Ethereum is going to crash very soon, either day before, day of, day after. Sometime there's going to be a crash with the Ethereum merge. It did take place. I did not expect it to take place today because we've been crashing. We've been down already this week. So I figured that the Ethereum merge was going to pump us. So it did not happen. We did get a little pump, technically. We had a couple of pumps, but that's not the most important thing. What happened today is absolutely ridiculous. So we have some good news with cryptos, but Gary Gensler was grilled by Congress today. And he was being grilled about cryptocurrencies and specifically proof of stake cryptocurrencies. And that's why we saw Ethereum crash 10% today. That's why we saw most cryptocurrencies crash today, because Gary Gensler has come out not only talking about cryptocurrencies can potentially be proof of stake or whatever. That's not important. The most important part is he started coming out and basically talking crap about cryptocurrencies. They're going to try to regulate them, X, Y, and Z. So we have that news come out that crash cryptocurrencies. The market is overall very bearish, guys. I'm sorry to break it to you. The market is bearish. We are in a bear market, but there are days, no matter how bearish things are, we will pump. We will see green in profits, and we could trade these types of opportunities. But here is the thing. The market is going to be unstable until the Fed can chill out. The Fed interest rates are continuing to go up. We have inflation continuing to go up. And next week on the 21st of September, the Fed is going to come out and say how much they're going to raise interest rates, or this is called a rate hike event. So they're going to be raising interest rates every single month until they get inflation to where they want it. So there is, because the CPI has showed inflation not to where people want it, there is data where people are betting on the Fed is going to, for the highest time that they've been raising interest rates, raise interest rates to 100 basis points or 1% for this next session. So a lot of people are fearful. A lot of people are out of the market. We are seeing crashes and dumps because of this specifically, because the Fed is potentially going to be raising interest rates to 100 basis points for this next session. And that's why we saw earlier this week after CPI, the market crash heavy, because they figured that the Fed is going to be raising interest rates like this. So that's why the market has crashed. That's why cryptos are not looking very good right now. But just remember, when things seem like cryptos are about to fall off the face of the earth, like they're going to zero, that is usually when things are going to turn around. But let's get real here. Let's take a look at the markets. The stock market is looking terrible. It's going down. The dollar is still pumping. This is bad. Go ahead and take a look at cryptocurrencies. Ethereum is dropping off the face of the earth. Bitcoin, everything is looking bad, guys. It is looking bad. We are at a point right now, if cryptocurrencies do not bounce up here, we're going to see another flush and leg down. And next week, and until then, we're probably going to see more crashes. We can see another big crash next week if the Fed raises interest rates at 100 basis points or that 1% next week. This weekend, I am expecting a recovery, a little bit of a recovery, and I do expect more crashes after this recovery, especially next week. But if the Fed can and does raise the interest rates to 75 basis points for that session, we will get a pump and we will get a strong recovery that can last a little bit, maybe until closer to the next CPI. So that is my thoughts on the markets, and that's where cryptocurrencies are headed right now. If you want to get access to the most profitable trade alerts on the internet, buy and sell alerts for cryptocurrencies, join the Patreon right now. The link is in my video description. You do not want to miss it, especially in these volatile times where we are making money trading this volatility. I also have a new course and crypto mentoring program to teach you how to make 1% to 2% every single day trading cryptocurrencies. If you are interested in that, apply with a link in my video description. That's going to be all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for staying to the end. Please consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe with notifications on, and let me know your thoughts about this video in the comments below.